stuff from shops around town too. I'll let you know when your next date is set up. Christy, Christy, Christy. You free? Yeah, sounds good. See you by the pond. And then you like dancing? Fuck no, to be honest. But this is definitely, he's the dancer type. Um, Designs, crafting, eh. I don't know what most of this shit does. I'll leave it alone for now. I did get a decent amount of the crafting materials. I'm just gonna head to the park. Oh, it's a date. Okay. Probably should have realized that. You arrive at the park, but you don't see anyone at first. Then you notice a metallic gleam on a nearby bench. I'm not gonna pick her up without consent. She was upset about that last time. Okay. That was clean. Ah, that's better.
Huh?
Hey, wow, I really didn't get a proper look at you in the dungeon. You're cute. That's incredibly direct. I'm a direct kind of person. Just tell me if it bothers you, though. By the way, thanks for meeting me in public. I know you're the one who rescued me, but I still don't know how I got down there. Or how my blade got chipped. In an ironic twist, someone's clearly backstabbed me, so I'm a little jumpy. Besides, safety first, just in case you're an axe murderer. I suppose you're more likely to just turn out to be an axe. Not that it'd be a problem if you were, that'd be hypocritical given my own situation. What? So what is it, you know? Your deal. You can tell me, I won't judge you. I just prefer to know up front before anything happens. I don't really have a deal. Don't play that game with me. Everyone has motives. God damn, things they want, things they're willing to do. Can we help you? Everything alright, V? Yeah, everything's peachy. Thanks. See you later. The man stares you down a moment longer before moving on. Sorry, that's my friend checking in to see if I haven't been axe murdered. Yet, anyways. Look, don't take this the wrong way, but your story's too convenient. You're from out of town, you're a newbie, never dated before. Yet you're also charming and apparently great at combat. Something don't add up. Thank you. You're smooth. I don't mean that entirely as a compliment. The truth is, we barely know each other. She stands. You know you have something to. You have to say something, or you'll never see her again. Get to know me then. You feel a little breathless at your own daring, but Valeria's eyes warm a little. Suppose that's why I came to Verona Beach. New start, new friends. Lover, rank 1. Enemies nearby get confused when you roll out of sight? Okay, that could be actually fire. You like roll past them and get behind them. Does that count as going out of their sight? I don't know. That could be fire. That could be super cool. If you turn out to be an evil master, if you turn out to be an evil mastermind, well, keep your enemies close, right? Right? Siestlavi? I don't know if I said that right. It's fine. You feel an impulse to give a gift, but you don't have anything to give. With one last wary look, she stalks. I thought it was gonna be strolls. I didn't read the whole word. She stalks. She stalks away through the park. You head home. I think that went well. I think it went well. Holy shit. There's next time a real date. Hey. Like that. There's so many. There's so many. Oh, my mother. Of course I want these messages first, right? Jesse says you're fighting monsters? I hoped you'd pick a less dangerous career, like cobra wrestling or wreck diving. It's perfectly safe. Really? Huh. Guess internet articles are wrong sometimes, but if something happened to you, I don't know what to do. Of course I'd support you, but no matter what, but be safe. No promises. Matt, for my sanity, I'm gonna pretend you didn't write that. He's pinned. Can I pin things myself? I don't know. Yeah, man. Me too. You're a swordsmith, right? You should come by naked steel sometime. Our scimitars have a scintillating curves. Our scimitars have scintillating curves. Special price for a special guy. What do you say? I'll think about it. Up to you, of course. I'll be waiting and hoping. Okay. You like dancing? Yeah, man. I don't, but sure, man. Oh, VIP, baby. Alright. I get the very important person treatment. Let's go. Just tell the bouncer you're with me. Okay. One where I don't accuse you of being a murderer? Or an axe, though I knew a nice one once. Anyways, I think my blade is mostly healed. Glad to hear it. Thanks. I'll let you know if I'll let you know. I'll let you know when I think of a date we can go on. Let's go to the dungeon in the meantime. Yeah, man. Sure. Okay, so I have a lot of things I can do now. I can do some crafting. Make a bracelet. Oh, those are kind of cute. Teddy bear. Why do you make a teddy bear out of sugar? Sugar in plastic. That seems like an awful teddy bear. Shit. Sure, we can make a raspberry, of course. We'll take our leave then. Okay. There's a shop here. There's that club that I could go for a day. What is this? Pretty sure that's just like a clothing shop. I guess we'll go to the La Rosa, I guess. I'm with Sunder. I don't need to give you my name, pussy. Who the fuck are you? Think you're important or some shit? That's what I fucking thought. Sunder is venting to a woman sitting next to him in the VIP area. Just can't feel a real connection, you know? Join the club. Without love, what's the point? Hey Matt, do you believe in soulmates? Yeah, kinda. I think I do. I think I do too. I just keep getting so disappointed. I'm not sure anymore. Alright, just went straight to one. Finishers cause enemies to bleed. What's a finisher? Okay, so this could be wrong, right? But I feel as though if you use a finisher on something, it's already dead, so why do I need it to bleed at that point? They make it look so easy in movies. Romance has been dead at least 500 years. Yeah, so Matt, this is Mandy. She's my business partner, co-owner of the club. Charmed, I'm sure. And what kind of sword do you turn into again? He's a wielder. I literally told you 5 minutes ago. Are you listening at all? In the slightest? Fucking idiot. What'd you say?
Nah.
You know, never mind. This is a good song. It's time to dance. You like healed from my abduction and dunjotting. What about you? Let's dance, man. What, we are? Whatever, idiot. Mandy kisses the bouncer on the cheek. She leads you and Sunder to the dance floor. Sunder mostly sways and sips his drink, but Mandy dances with abandon. You can feel the music thumping in your chest. I could play it cool. I'm gonna go for it, bro. You should really be careful, little one. Sunder eats up lovers one by one. He seems nice, but he's double-edged. Yeah, you said you're looking for a soulmate, so believe me, Sunder ain't it. He lies, and he's dangerous. Sunder's using you. Part of his addiction. But he's too selfish and violent to be a good boyfriend. Violence?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and in my experience, no matter what they say, people don't change. But I like you. You're sweet. I'm just trying to help. Be careful.
Cool.
Anyways, I'm gonna go. Love. Mandy kisses you on the cheek and leaves. The crowd parts around a sword that seems to be dancing its way towards you. Mandy left, huh? Just us two now. Let's enjoy the moment while we can. I mean, if anything she just said is true, I kind of want to leave too. But that sword is so cool looking. I don't want to out her like that. I ain't doing that shit. I don't know. I kind of want to feel out the situation a little bit. As you wish. Better. Breathless and sweaty. Eventually, the night is over. Yeah, no. I could have left too, but I went. I decided to stay. It's crazy. Jesse has a cousin like you. He's a loser or was in high school. No offense. You're the loser. No offense. Right, the entrepreneur. A loser. Talk to you later, hottie. No. Sure, yeah, fuck this guy. Jesus. Sorry, I'll leave you there. Jesus. Better? Eh? Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's try, man. I kind of forgot that I didn't write him back. I did better on this date, I guess, because she's at 0, he's at 5. I'm assuming that's how that works. All the combos are very basic. It's chill though. The daggers actually got 4 instead of the 3 that the other 2 I've used has. I don't really want to go on a date with this guy over here. He seems kind of like a massive fucking douche. Oh, I could go back and do this, dude. Let's get to the dungeon. I want to try out this dagger. I could go straight to floor 5? Seems like an awful idea. Let's do it. I died on floor 6, I'm pretty sure.
Well, here we go.
Here we go, yeah. Battle your fears. Okay, so I gotta fight this doucher again. I'm level 6 now though, so I should be way better off, right? Oh, I do way more damage now. Her heavies are fast, actually. I didn't really get the chance to test out this. Oh my god, the stuns, man. Okay, that roll away thing is insane. Okay, yeah. This weapon's sick. Yeah, this weapon's insane. Wait a minute. The heavies are so fast. Like with the other weapon I was using for the beginning, the heavies were like I would get hit because I would go to use them and they'd be too slow. Not having that problem here. I would roll away from something, it would get confused. That's super good. Okay, yeah. Monster free zone, indeed. Ice cream, want something? It'll be my treat. You finish your ice creams, debating the best place to spend a summer. Would you like to offer a gift? Yeah, sure. The bracelets look like they're definitely made for her. They really go, like, they're already, like, she's already wearing very simple bracelets. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that went perfectly. Gotta get back to work, though. I can feel a sugar rush coming on. I can run back to that boss room and grab another coffee, though. It's fine. I didn't use, like, anything on the boss, so. There we go. Gold vault dog. I'm assuming I should have changed weapon there, taking into account, like, you know, the dating sim aspect of the game. But like this. I mean, I guess I can give, like, you know, the other weapons a shot, you know, because, to be fair, I'm not gonna figure out what my favorite weapon is without using them all. But it's so quick. I've always liked daggers. Daggers have always been one of my go-tos in video games. I just like the quick weapons.
Huh?
Reminiscent of Steinlen, but even more poppy and mainstream. Probably just a lazy knockoff. But it's possible the artist knowingly commented on the commercial placement. It'd be nice if the piece was both pretty and honest. They're both important components, wouldn't you say? I'm in art. Yeah, both. They're essential. Guess we'll find out. Yeah, no, I don't really. I think they're both important. I think honesty's more important though. I was just answering the dating sim way. Like, pretty's nice, right? But liar is kind of like a definite red flag, right? I think it's kind of a deal breaker. People that are like blatant liars. Add some coffee. I need to find more though, because I keep taking stupid hits. Little balls. Molly, so bad at this with you. An anime t-shirt, let's go! Christ. I guess I should change weapon, yeah? For the dating sim thing. Change weapon. Oh, that's neat. So I guess by finisher they mean like the end of a combo, because they seem to start bleeding at the end of a combo. Yeah, this feels a lot clunkier compared to the dagger. I'm not a huge fan of this actually. It doesn't even hit that hard either. Like I'd expect like if you're gonna be clunky at least hit hard, you know, but I guess the AoE is decent, and like, you know, the bleeding effect is not bad or anything. Okay. But like, it's just so slow. It gives the projectiles so much time to hit me. I wanted it to bleed to death, so I stopped hitting it, and then it stopped fucking bleeding. Okay, it's fine. Ah, Break Room Arcade, that's kind of fun. I have no idea what he would want, actually. Yeah, he's probably the daggery guy. Bleed and burn. Oh, okay. I think I saw that staircase on the map and was like, oh, that must be the exit of the area, but it was just a secret room that I missed and accidentally opened. Or did I actually go in this and just forget? No, I just opened this and didn't think I opened anything. Take some sugar. I almost want to leave the dungeon at the... Oh. I no longer want to leave the dungeon. Yerk. Bang. This sword looks cool. It's a laser sword. It's in your hand smoothly, but...
I wonder who it is. They seem dormant somehow.
Press the button and it flares to life. That's such a... that looks so cool. That animation was sick.
Hey. Whoa. I feel slow. Like I took a really long nap. Maybe I have a screw loose. Literally. Who are you both? What day is it? I've been down here 2 weeks. Well, thanks for waking me up. I'm 7.
Oh. He ain't legal, boys.
I should probably let my agent know where I've been.
You have an agent?
Yeah, no comment. But I know I owe you one. How about a coffee later?
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure. Or a whiskey, but okay.